Alright, today we're going to be making pad thai from Kenji López-Alt. So to get started, we're going to take 1 medium shallot and we're looking for a thin slice, and then 3 garlic cloves, and we're going to roughly chop. Optionally, for some extra flavor, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of preserved radish and we're going to give this a rough chop as well. Now we're going to make a Thai table sauce that has a name I can't pronounce, but it is so good. So to get started, you're going to take 3 garlic cloves, give that a smash, and then between 10 to 30 red Thai chilies, depending on your spiciness, and cut into small pieces. Now to a mortar and pestle, you're going to add 2 tablespoons dark brown sugar or palm sugar, a half cup of fish sauce, the red Thai chilies, garlic, and you're going to smash to infuse the flavor. Now if you want a smoother sauce, smash together the sugar, red Thai chilies, and garlic before adding the fish sauce. Alright, now back to the pad thai. So one of the most important ingredients is having tamarind paste. It really provides a unique flavor. So to do this, take a tamarind pulp block, add a couple ounces along with 2 cups of warm water, and squeeze together until you get a thick paste, kind of like the consistency of applesauce. Now in your mortar and pestle, add in the 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar or palm sugar, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, and then 3 tablespoons of that tamarind paste, and mix about until smooth and the sugar has dissolved. Then place a wok over high heat, and once hot, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of peanut oil, then add in your shallots and garlic, and we're going to mix around and cook for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add 6 to 8 ounces of pad thai rice noodles, our sauce from earlier, our radishes, a tablespoon of shrimp paste, and 2 tablespoons of shrimp powder, and you're going to aggressively toss and mix for about 45 seconds. Now we're going to put the noodles to the side of the wok to avoid overcooking, reposition the wok to the back of the burner, and in the open space I'm adding about a half pound of shrimp, and we're going to cook for about a minute per side and then mix together. Once again, you're going to place the noodles on the side of the wok, add some peanut oil and 2 whisked eggs, and you're going to leave this for 10 seconds before you scramble together. Finally, you're going to add 1 cup of Mung bean sprouts and 5 to 6 garlic chives. I was using green onion, and you're going to stir and toss for about a minute until they've wilted. For serving, transfer to a plate or dish immediately. Make sure you have plenty of noodles and shrimp on there. Then we're going to add some raw Mung bean sprouts, some garlic chives or green onion, some crushed peanuts, some lime, and then finally our Thai table sauce. And there you have it, pad thai from Kenji López-Alt. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.